This is Brian Pettigrew with Photographers in the Wild, and I have a Western themed video for you today, out in the wild west of Bodie, California. Enjoy! Welcome to Photographers in the Wild, the podcast that delves deep into the exhilarating experiences of photographers capturing the beauty and rawness of the wilderness. Join us as we uncover the challenges, triumphs, and unforgettable moments encountered by these courageous artists as they venture into the untamed landscapes around the globe. Send me an email of your experiences photographing the animals, landscapes, late night sky shots, and anything you find fascinating out in the wild. And if you want to share your tips and tricks capturing these shots, I'm sure those listening will appreciate the knowledge. I will be reading the emails of your stories on my podcast, and if you want to be recognized by having your name read, just let me know in the email. Send emails of your stories to share.photographersinthewild@gmail.com. If you have a favorite photo, send that too.